gonna welcome back. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, leave us a comment below, and like this video. It's just going to be 5 minutes recipes that you can do when these kids are at home. You need some quick things to prepare for them. Okay, so let's get into it. So today we're going to make some bell peppers with onions and turkey steak with some couscous. Now you can replace couscous with rice, you can have it with quinoa, pasta, or anything. And before we begin, I've put some hot water on the stove to boil. I'm going to bring that to a boil, and we're gonna prepare our couscous. Because it's just Belle and I, we will just make about half a cup or so. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and while that is happening, let me cut my vegetables. As a matter of fact, I think before then, I will season my turkey steak. It's so nice and juicy.
Yeah.
Keeping in mind that the kids are at home and you may not have time to prepare food and everything, I don't mind having a leftover, so I will just do all three. Right, so I'm going to wash it. I put it on the tissue paper just to dry it off. I've washed my vegetables already, and I'm going to season it. You know, keeping it simple is the way forward here. So I'm just going to wipe it off.
They're so cute, Mummy. They're so small.
Is it?
Yeah. And I don't know how they were cut, Mama. I don't.
I'm gonna season it with salt and some pepper, black pepper.
I put some salt with it, Mama.
Well, you don't want to go too much on it, especially if you're feeding kids. You don't want to do too much salt. So I'll rub it in. These bell peppers, you can have it with prawns. I think I have a recipe on here where I did it with prawns. You can have it with prawns, you can have it with anything. So we're just going to let this rest. And this is optional. This is optional. You can use any stock cube at all. I'm using Maggi cube, but you can use a stock cube, vegetable stock cube, chicken stock cube, anything at all. So I'm intentionally not going to do a voiceover, so you can hear Belle in the background. And I can imagine you having 2 or more of Belle and not having any help, and them whinging and crying, "Mommy, we want this, Mommy, we want that." This came with it, but I'm gonna do 2 of it. There's 2 we have.
Mommy.
Yeah. We got this from Costco. It's East Indian inspired spice couscous. But like I said, with this recipe, you basically can use it with anything. The main dish is the bell peppers. So ignore this. This is going to be what we're going to use. But you can use pasta, rice, anything. If you're Ghanaian, you can add it to gari. They want to keep the heat in as much as possible. Chop our peppers. Like I said, I don't mind having leftovers, so I'm going to chop everything.
Are you having it today?
Yes, we're having it today.
Okay, let me begin,
is the couscous. I'm just gonna stir it, taste it, and see how, if it's okay in terms of salt. Basically, season it to your taste. It's lovely. We don't need any salt. It's done actually. I'm going to start with this. So I'm just going to fry the turkey steak with, let's see, 3 spoons of vegetable oil.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that to heat up.
Guys, don't try some. Guys, they're going to try some.
Oh, the guys can try some. Let's get the oil to heat up really nicely. Yeah. And I'm going to crush these. I'm gonna put just a little layer, half a spoon on there. So brown on the other side. Look at that. See? It's not pink in the middle. So it's all done. It's white. Look at that. All done. Now you can leave the garlic in if you want to, but I don't really fancy biting into garlic when we're eating, so I've taken them out. It's totally up to you. You can leave it in. Garlic is good. It's good for your health, but I've chosen to take it out. I'm just going to add like 2 spoons of water just to get it cooking. And also add the large half of the Maggi cube, the stock cube that I use for the couscous. I'm leaving it to rest. I'm going to put the juices back in there. And I will cover it. I'll leave it to cook for 10 minutes and we're ready to eat, okay? Right, so this is all done. I'm going to turn the heat off of this. It's done.
Mama.
You like it? Is it nice? So guys, I think as you can see in the background, I've had to pause my cleaning to prepare dinner for us. And Belle loves it. It didn't take too much time, but I'm sure if you have toddlers running around, kids running around, it may take about 20 to 25 minutes, but it's absolutely delicious. You can have it with pasta, the bell peppers with the onion. You can have it with pasta, rice, and if you're Ghanaian, I'm sure you know what gari is. Yeah, and we chose to have turkey breast with it, but you could have it with prawns, chicken, beef, anything at all. You can choose not to add any meat to it and make it vegetarian, but we chose to add turkey to it, and yeah, it looks like it's a hit with this little one. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, leave us a comment below, like this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye everyone.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.